Okay, so this has to be the most expensive unboxing in the history of our channel. Yes, I'm not kidding. The stuff that's in there are only 200 of these in this entire world and only one in India. This one. It costs a whopping 1 crore rupee. This is actually a luxurious pair of headphones. And it's not from some random company. It's in fact a Sennheiser product and it's called the Sennheiser H1. And if you're wondering why do these cost 1 crore rupees? Well, it's because everything about them is so extraordinary that the moment you turn them on, you enter into a completely different world. And every step of you turning it on, controlling it, listening to the music is so thoughtfully designed that all I can say is that this is probably the Rolls-Royce of headphones. The first thing you'll notice is that it comes with a lot of stuff in the box, but headphones, they are still nowhere to be seen. Let's talk about this big unit first. What is this? It's actually a solid block of very fine Carrara marble. It's the same marble that is being used in Michelangelo's sculptures across Italy. So yeah, it's very expensive. And inside this you get 8 flagship DACs, 8 tube amplifiers and obviously the headphones. And just so you know, this entire thing weighs 21 kgs. So obviously you'll not be able to carry this around. And oh, there's also this remote. Looks wise, it's just another remote. But weight wise, it's almost as heavy as a dumbbell. And with these sharp edges, it's good for self-defense as well. Now let me just turn it on and blow your mind because what you're going to see is totally magical. As you just saw, turning it on brings out the dials, then these cool looking amplifiers come out, and finally you get to see the headphones as well. This entire process happens every time you turn them on, and no matter how many times we have seen it in the past 2 weeks, we are still mesmerized by it. It's just so cool to look at. And finally, this is how the headphones look. Just like everything else, they are also quite heavy, but when you put them on, they are still quite comfortable. The outer part is aluminium, inside it's leather, and the headband is obviously adjustable. And the most interesting thing is that they use electrostatic drivers instead of the usual dynamic or planar drivers. And not just that, the diaphragms are platinum coated and the electrodes are made with gold vaporized ceramic. Now that you know all the expensive things used in the making of these headphones, let's talk about the thing that matters the most. The sound quality. Specs wise, these headphones have a frequency range of 8 Hz to 100 kHz, which is even more than what human ears can hear. The distortion levels are also the lowest on any headphones out there. Plus the ESS Sabre ES9018 DACs are flagship level, and for input and output, you get a ton of options. In fact, if you have an extra pair of same headphones lying around, you can just connect both of them at once. One more thing I want to highlight is that it also comes with super expensive power cable, USB cable and power adapter from a company called Furutech. The reason why they chose to go with these specific accessories is because they wanted to reduce the electrical noise as much as possible to give you the cleanest audio experience ever. Now, over the last 2 weeks, I and my entire team listened to a lot of songs on it. And here's what we think. See, the amount of details and the clarity is just ridiculous. You can hear the tiniest press from singers, the studio room echoes, and even the finger movements on guitar strings. And the audio is tuned in such a way that you hear the songs like it's happening right in front of you. Just to give you some examples, in the first few seconds of Toby by Eminem, where there's audio footsteps, it feels as if you are walking. In Clouds, I felt like Zach was singing right next to me. I was able to hear every single guitar stroke, and also the roughness in his voice sounded detailed. I also played the iconic Bohemian Rhapsody live, and I felt like I was right in the middle of the crowd. Amazing feels. I also like the fact that the bass is very controlled and tactile and not overpowering even in bass heavy songs. The treble is bright, it's detailed and very extended, and the vocals sound as detailed as if you're sitting right next to the singer in the studio room. Honestly, the whole soundstage is such that the music feels more close and more intimate. It's something that I never felt with any headphones out there. By the way, these headphones also support crossfade, which basically mixes the tiny bit of left audio into the right ear and right audio into the left ear. This essentially makes music sound more natural. And for those who don't know, it's an ultra premium feature that you won't find in normal headphones. And whosoever in our office gave it a try and listened to their favorite songs, they all loved it. Some bass heads were like, "Where's the bass, bro?" I unfollowed them instantly, but everyone else was just fighting for their turn. Overall, if you have 1 crore rupees lying around, I would totally, certainly, definitely recommend it to you guys. But if you are short of like 99.9 lakh rupees, it's time you start saving. But on a serious note, this is definitely one of the best audio experiences that you can ever have because it just takes you way more closer to the music than you ever can. It's genuinely the best headphones you can buy and there's absolutely nothing better than this. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please press that like button because it was definitely not an easy video to make. And Sennheiser, if you're watching, you can let this one stay. We'll take good care of this. I'm sure you're watching. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.